Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a great customer success story where engineering industry's excellence helped Howden successfully implement SAP. Joining me today is Graham from Engineering Industries Excellence to share the details of this collaboration. My first question is, can you describe your collaboration with Howdens and the business challenges you addressed together?
Well, Howdens went through a very important business transformation just a few years ago, where they wanted to move quite a large part of their production from a make-to-stock process to a make-to-order. Howdens are a very large kitchen manufacturer in the UK and parts of Europe, and one of their big offerings to the market to stay competitive and to keep their customers very happy was to offer a more customized kitchen production, including customized colors. So that means to be competitive and to ensure that they weren't incurring too much waste, they really needed to transform from a make-to-stock to a make-to-order.
That's a really insightful challenge to tackle. Now let's talk about the solution that you have implemented. What SAP solution did Howdens choose and why?
So we helped them do the consulting around their requirements and what would be the best solution, and we helped them implement SAP Digital Manufacturing in their plants, and we started rolling them out in 2023, and we're still in the process of rolling out those solutions across all 140 production sites. So the reason why Howdens went with SAP Digital Manufacturing is for three main reasons. The first reason is that it enabled this business transformation that they were after. They do have quite a complex production process that they need to synchronize with all these production resources to ensure that they are efficient in this customized solution for their kitchen products for their customers. This can introduce quite a degree of complexity, and one of the good things about SAP Digital Manufacturing is you can take away a lot of the complexity and make sure a lot of the production resources, materials and ordering and so forth is done optimally, especially when seamlessly integrated with SAP ERP. The second reason is that they really wanted to go to the cloud, because across all these sites, with their old solution, they ran the risk that their IT environment was becoming hard to manage, hard to deploy updates and patches. So they really needed to go to the cloud in order to manage their environments optimally. And then the other reason is that across their whole production process, from the ordering, the sales order process, all the way through to the issue to the customer, that needed to be frictionless. And in order for that to happen, we really needed to have great functional and technical integration between digital manufacturing and SAP ERP.
Wow, that sounds like a really great fit for their needs. Finally, let's explore the results. What are some of the benefits Howdens achieve after implementing SAP solutions with your help?
The clear benefit to Howdens so far has been that they've been able to meet their business objectives in terms of this business transformation. When a business decides that they're going to transform their business, it can be quite risky for them in ensuring that they select the right solution to enable that business transformation. In the case of Howdens, they were able to achieve that. The very first site that we went live with SAP Digital Manufacturing was a hard main painting site where this customizing of the colors was required. So it went in, they were happy with it, it did what they expected to do, and then they decided to roll it out in further sites. The other benefits they're achieving is by going to the cloud, it's much easier from an IT management perspective to manage those environments and to deploy to other sites.
It is great to hear about the impact, Graham. It's clear that engineering industry excellence played a crucial role in Howdens' SAP transformation. To find out more about how engineering industry excellence can help your business, do check out their website to learn more. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.